Hoare wasn't alone. Across the estates of Britain, naturalistic landscape gardens became the height of fashion. And today, gardening has become a national obsession, the way that so many of us attempt to make nature our own. But while most of our gardens are simply there for pleasure, one artist has attempted to go further. I've come to a modern garden in Dumfriesshire to meet a man who has done things that would astonish even Henry Hoare. This is the garden of cosmic speculation, and there is no mistaking the human hand here. It's as far from a naturalistic garden as it's possible to get. And yet it is based on the underlying principles of nature itself. The fractals, black holes and waveforms that form our understanding of the universe. This extraordinary garden was created by the landscape artist, architect and theorist Charles JENKS. Born in America, JENKS began developing the garden at his home in Scotland in 1988.
I think when you see the sun go down and you see the earth form these pathways, and the light is at the top, you definitely feel as if you belonged here, as if this is a part of you. It's not just a projection, it's kind of a deep feeling. And I think you get that in landscape. And you don't get it in any art that is not bigger than you.
More recently, JENKS has completed a new work, the Croik Multiverse, a monumental series of landforms in Dumfriesshire. It references so many ancient monuments, stone circles, long barrows and burial mounds, but this is inspired by the science of our own age. So how do you see your relationship to nature?
We're part of nature, but as religions have always said, we're different from nature. And I think both are very deep insights. And so a landscape art, and art in general, should show that very strange human relationship to the universe that is both feeling at home and feeling separate from it.
I know that everything here has multiple meanings.
Yes.
But what are you trying to achieve with this garden?
Well, I'm trying to achieve the old idea that we're partly at home in the universe, and we should celebrate that. And if you haven't enjoyed it and found it amusing and colorful and sensuous and delightful, it should do all of that. So I think if you're not happy in this garden, I failed.
I don't think Charles JENKS has failed. What he has achieved both here and at the Croik Multiverse is hugely impressive. Charles JENKS's garden is a microcosm of the universe itself. Now, of course, it's absurdly grandiose, of course it is, but in a way, all gardens are worlds within worlds. All gardens are ways by which humans try to negotiate a place for themselves amid the mysteries of nature. The garden is our most explicit attempt not simply to reshape nature, but to possess it. But while we can possess the land, one natural realm will forever elude us.